When you saw us last, we were packing up a few bags and jumping on a plane. We were Auckland bound for the first time in 4 months and eager to have a mini break from the bus, socialise with family, plan the next leg of our adventure and attend a friend's wedding. But after almost 2 weeks, it was back on the plane to Invercargill. From Invercargill, it was back to the west we went. Milford Sounds in the maps and the Olympics plugged into the stereo.
Get on New Zealand, where have they found that place from? Kiwis have still got...
Come on the Kiwis!
3/4 of second lead.
Come on the Kiwis! Just pull it over.
And all the forms that took it to the 2 Olympic gold medals. Kiwis are stretching out. It's going to be New Zealand's gold to lose.
Reaction post.
1972 on the Munich course when the Kiwis last won Olympic gold in the men's eights. Coming on, they for a medal.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, we're in Tiano. Not much filming from us really because we're sick. We're gonna go and fill up for the night. Close gate at don't know where she's going. So far away, I can't see you. Tegan. How do you feel? How did you go for your park?
Great. Hi guys, so we found ourselves in Tiano, which is kind of the start of the road to Milford Sounds, and we're really excited. Unfortunately, it's not such a nice day. We were meant to go yesterday, but I was feeling kind of rough, so we decided to wait. Yesterday was really nice and the sun actually came out. And today it's just a bit overcast and there's no forecast for later today, and they're actually closing the road at 4:30, so we want to make sure we get to Milford Sounds well in advance of that happening. It was about a 2.5 hour drive to Milford Sounds, and the gloomy day it seemed longer, but we were just happy to be on the road again. The corners got us, the alcohol cabinet flew open and we lost a cider. It's always quite devastating, and it kind of got cider all over the floor and some clothes, so we're going to have to throw them in the washing machine. Luckily we're heading to a campsite, so we won't have that smell hopefully for too long. There were some signs saying to slow down, naturally, but it was pretty bold of them to assume we could go any slower without stopping completely. Bobby's taking it slow, you know. We're gonna have a race against these guys.
No, we like more fastest.
Like we could race anyone.
Avalanche, no stopping, but you can stop here. You can't stop there.
No. Avalanches don't come this far, they only go there. I don't think there's even enough snow on the mountains for a avalanche.
They're pretty high up, eh? Look at that fucking rock. I wonder if they even try to blow that rock out for gold. It's probably a big thing. Big Maggie.
It always comes back to gold with Dawn.
Golden
He
oak.
always wonders, is there going to be any gold in there? Okay, it's because we got onto Opal Hunters on Discovery, and it's been there ever since. Opalton, we're coming for you one day. We're going to find a little nugget. I don't think you call opal nuggets, but we're going to find one.
Little Maggie.
In the
That speaker looks so
post-COVID
daunting. It's like
world.
staring at me. It's like fucking it's like yelling like the cartoons.
Hello. Race is on. Turn lights on. Prepare to go. Oh, it's a little tunnel.
Oh, 3.8 metres. Didn't see that.
Whoa, this looks like a miner's tunnel. This is very... What?
This is fun.
I was expecting something a little more developed. This seems very raw.
600 more metres. 1.2 kilometres. That is cracker.
So we're here at the Lodge campsite, which is I think the only campground in Milford Sounds. It's quite nice, it's in the trees. We're going to be here for 2 nights and hopefully the weather clears up. It's pretty drizzling now. I'm glad we're going to have a plug-in because our solar panels will not be getting much sun. But apparently tomorrow it's still meant to be clearing up over lunchtime. And we're actually going to be doing one of the Milford Sound cruises, which are going to take us all the way through, pretty much out to the sea and back. We'll really get the full image of what the Milford Sounds are popular for. Can't relax just yet though, because we had some cider spillage and the floor is very sticky.
Right, all packed up ish. And now we're gonna go walk towards the cruise. Let's get it. Get it.
Making my way downtown.
Oh, airplane.
walking around, trying to catch you with my eyes. There's no one in my heart, but I guess it's a soft, easy conversation.
We're off. We've pre-paracord the drawers.
Okay, back to Tiana.
Yeah, Tiana.
There we go.
Yeah, let's go.
Find some love. I've been walking around, trying to catch you with my eyes. There's no one in my heart, but I guess it's a soft, easy conversation.
Hello.
Excuse me, mate. Yep, bye. Oh, I'm sorry, he's so cute. Here we go, guys.
Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you to our patrons for continuing to support us. If you like the videos, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Catch you next time.